Hello everybody. So have you ever wondered what the difference is between the tipless decorating bags and these metal tips and couplers? I mean, honestly, what is the pro and what is the con to both of these types of bags? My name is Annette Conrad, and I'm the owner and lead decorator for Edible Impressions. So welcome. And I thought I would just hop on here for a moment. I have a virtual event starting in about 8 minutes, so I thought I would hop on just for a brief moment and share with you a little bit about tipless decorating bags and really why I love them so much. It took me a little bit to get used to them. I was actually a little bit resistant when they first came out, but they are really wonderful for a number of reasons. So most cookie decorators and cake decorators do use these traditional metal tips and couplers. And don't get me wrong, I still use these often when I'm decorating cookies. But these tipless decorating bags are wonderful because they're pretty pliable. They have a really nice single seam here, and you can cut the tips very, very small. One of the negatives is that you can only cut bigger, you can't go any smaller. So that's where these metal tips come in handy, because you can just easily switch out the metal tips to different sizes or different textured tips. What I really do like about these as well is that they're a little bit less expensive, or I should say a lot less expensive. Traditional plastic, thicker plastic decorating bags that have a double seam that you find at a traditional craft store can be anywhere between, for about a box of 100, anywhere between $19 and $24. These tipless bags, there's many companies that sell them online. They're hard to find, if at all, at a retail shop, but they sell for about $350 to $550 for 100. So you can tell that, yeah, the prices can't be beat. But I do really love them for another reason, for the fact that you can pinch the top, push the frosting down, and flip it over, and so your frosting is not going to spill out where it oftentimes will with these metal tips. So it's another pro. And I actually love them for our cookie decorating kits. So they're just absolutely perfect. The frosting comes ready to go. You just need to mix up the bag a little bit, because royal icing is made with powdered sugar, powdered egg whites, and water. So when the bag is not in use, the water will separate. So it's important to be able to massage the bag before you start decorating, to get that nice smooth frosting. So again, another reason I love these tipless bags, because these traditional plastic ones are much thicker, and you can't really mix them up all as well as you could with these. So that's really all that I wanted to share. I do need to get going. Like I said, I have a virtual event starting. We are working on the coffee kit today. So the coffee kit has a cupcake, a heart, a to-go cup, and a little saucer. So it's just super sweet that we will be doing here momentarily. Last thing I'll mention before I go is graduation. Congratulations to all the 2021 graduates. We are getting a slew of orders coming in. So if you do plan on ordering gift tins, platters, or favor bags for your upcoming celebration, please put your order in sooner than later. So we look forward to having that opportunity to share some sweet treats with you, your family, and friends. So thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day, everybody.